Stock investing for beginners. Meta Facebook stock is dropping. Is it a buy, a hold, or a sell? During the earnings call, Zuckerberg said something about one AI company. That AI company stock has been rising. I believe it has potential to grow much more. Which AI company is it? And I'm going to tell you if Meta is good for investing right now. Is it undervalued, overvalued, or fair value? In the middle of videos and at the end of the videos, I'm going to tell you 3 methods that we can use to trade Meta stock. Meta is dropping 9.47% over the past 5 days after they reported earnings. But 1 month, if you look at it, Meta stock is dropped 10.24%. Year to date, it stayed up 28.01%. Over 1 year, it's up 85.82%. Pretty good. And over the past 5 years, it beat S&P 500 126.78%. Let's look at Meta's results. Earnings per share 4.71 per share versus expected 4.32 per share. It's good. It's supposed to go up because actual result is higher than the estimate expectations. Revenue 36.46 billion versus 36.16 billion expected, better than expectations. Revenue increased 27% from 28.65 billion in the same period a year earlier. The fastest rate of expansion for any quarter since 2021. Wow, Meta has been doing really well compared to Tesla. Tesla has been doing really bad, but the stock jumped. Tesla stock jumped, but Meta stock dropped, so there must be a difference. And net income more than doubled to 12.37 billion or 4.71 per share from 5.71 billion or 2.2 per share a year ago. Everything is good from look at it, but Mark Zuckerberg said something in the earnings call because he's planning to increase spending on AI. So capital expenditure for 2024 are anticipated to be in 35 billion to 40 billion range, and increase from prior focus of 30 billion to 37 billion. And we continue to accelerate spending infrastructure investment to support AI roadmap. You see, investors are worried that Meta did that for Metaverse a few years ago. The stock price dropped below 100. So could we be repeating the same pattern from before? So that's what they are afraid. And also, Meta's forecasted softer than expected revenue in second quarter, 36.5 billion to 39 billion. The midpoint is 37.75 billion, so it's below 38.3 billion expectation. So that's why the stock price dropped. With revenue guidance, also there are more expenditures, more spendings, and reality labs is still losing money. You see, reported sales of 440 million and 3.85 billion in losses. So the total losses say 2020 until now is 45 billion. If Mark Zuckerberg said that we're gonna reduce spending in Metaverse, the stock could have increased by 10%, 15% compared to quite a drop over the past 5 days, over 10% drop. So yeah, so that's pretty bad. But a company's spending is another company's revenue. So which company will benefit the most from increased spending by Meta? It's Nvidia. Nvidia stock is up 6.18% in 1 day, April 26. Over the past 5 days, it's up 12.34%. It stayed down in 1 month, so we are still in time. Everybody is thinking it could drop below 762. No, I did not say Nvidia. If I think that it could at least reach 1,000, why would I say? So that's why I still kept Nvidia's, and my profit is 39,000 within a few months. That's pretty good. And if you know stock investing, call option, put option, and advanced option trading, it's very hard to lose money. Just like Nvidia, there's so much demand. Their only problem is to increase supply. Just like that, if you know all these four, stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, then your problems is where to keep your money. That's the problem I have. I need to think about, hey, where to keep my money, because the more I learn, the more profit I have. So if you want to get started right now, the link is gonna be description down below. If you want to know what I buy or how I profit, the link is gonna be down below as well. So is Meta stock, is it buy, hold, or sell? For investing, yes, in my opinion, Meta is undervalued right now. So I will probably keep buying Meta, and I could use trading as well. For trading, I can use 3 trading methods because Meta stock drop. So that's a good opportunity. You know what? If you think that Meta could bounce back again, so you could take some trading position. Meta stock dropped to 410. That's quite a lot. The trading position number 3, stock trading. You can buy Meta stocks. You can set it 1 week, 1 month, 3 months later when the stock price up. Or another way is you can do call option trading. You can buy call option. One good thing about call option trading is you just need to use a little bit of money to get exposure to 100 shares of Metas. Remember, call option has expiry date, so make sure your stock price rise significantly before expiration date. Option number 1, I like it the best. If you are not sure, hey, I'm not sure if the stock is gonna go up quickly or if the stock gonna go down, I like to use advanced option, because if I use advanced option, let's say I sell put options, it doesn't matter if the stock goes up, goes down, or going sideways. As long as I get it right, the stock price is right, and I have expiration date, if put option that I sold expire before the stock price hit below the strike price, I will still make profits. So I have 3 ways to win. Stock price goes up, perfect. Stock price going sideways, it's okay, as long as it doesn't go below my strike price when I say put option. Or if the stock price drop, yes, okay, it doesn't drop below my strike price before expiration date, I'm totally fine with that. What do you think? Do you think Meta stock could go up or go down or move sideways in the next 3 months? Comment down below. Share, subscribe. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now.